Hi, this is Brent with another chart breakdown for Trade Therapy. We are looking at Coinbase. This is the last view, the last chart that we shared back in June, late June, June 28th of this year. We were in this symmetrical triangle pattern. We were wondering if this was the end of wave 4 of this little pattern here. We were looking for an up thrust coming out of this position. If we jump over to today's chart, you'll see that we did get that up thrust in the form of a false breakout. Coin then turned around and formed this corrective wave structure here, which we have as ABC. You see, here's the all-time demand line. This corresponds with a higher level Elliott count. This is Coin is a great example of what we've been covering in trade therapy, the three-wave price cycle, where we see a very clear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave 1 of an impulsive wave structure. We then see A, B, C down forming wave 2. We are now set up to move into wave 3. And we expect wave 3 to be pretty exciting in terms of Coinbase. In terms of where we are today, sorry, one last thing. Did want to point out the divergence that we're now seeing formed in Coinbase due to the depth of this last shakeout here. Trying to take all of the retail traders out of this reaccumulation zone. Institutions are coming down and trying to clear a path of least resistance for wave 3, and that's what generates this bullish divergence. Looking at today, we kind of similar to the Tesla trade. When we were going into earnings earlier this year and everyone was really down on Tesla and there's a lot of negative sentiment out in the market. And we came out and posted a chart and said there's really not, it's not a constructive area within the chart for there to open up a short trade. There's no runway down further below. And you can see that coin is in a similar circumstance where it's completed its A, B, and C higher count and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 subwave count. This now is the first, or appears to be the first beginnings of wave 3's impulsive structure here. Is there still a chance that somehow it could go sideways and possibly come back down and test a low down here at the end of October? Sure, anything's possible. But playing or looking at from a probability standpoint, we do see a five wave structure. So we are positioned long throughout our crypto positions. If we were to be looking at coming in or adding to coin, we would be looking for how it handles this point right here in the chart. There's a confluence of moving averages that are going to come together just below 200. We would wait for it to convert that into support and either come in and or add to our positions at that point.